you lovely people? My name is Manish and welcome back to Planet Bollywood, your one-stop shop for all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. Now guys, we have a lot in store on today's episode, but before we kickstart the show, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. But for now, here are our top stories.
Kartik Aaryan is back in action as showstopper for fashion show. Neha and Rohanpreet's wedding celebrations kick off with a grand Roka ceremony. Ayushmann Khurrana has a bad hair day, but an ardent fan flirts with him over his candid picture. Nora Fatehi and Guru Randhawa create magic with Nach Meri Rani, making it an instant hit. Salman's comments offend Rubina. She asks to leave the reality show hosted by the superstar. Kartik Aaryan has been on a long break from work and the spotlight during the lockdown. But the actor, whose new hairstyle created quite a buzz a few days ago, has now taken his first steps back into the limelight when he became the showstopper for a fashion show that was held digitally for the first time because of the pandemic and its restrictions.
बहुत कम वक्त में कार्तिक आर्यन अपने quirky sense of humor और chilled out attitude के लिए काफी popular हो गए हैं, especially with millennial audiences. The young star, who is known for his skill at saying monologues and being a part of films that are high on humor and masala, has been spending time with his family during this lockdown and also started an unusual interview series, Koki Puchega, where he spoke about those battling with the pandemic from the front lines. The actor has still not resumed work on any of his stalled films, but looks like digitally at least he's making a return to lights, camera, hair and makeup. Check it out.
Kartik was shooting for the film Bhool Bhulaiya 2 when the pandemic spread and all film shoots had to be stopped. In fact, the team had to rush back in time just before a nationwide lockdown was announced.
घर के काम करो ना, अभी शादी मत करो ना, मम्मी पापा के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करो ना, मेडिटेट करो ना, वीडियो कॉल करो ना, हैंड वॉश करो ना, फेस टच मत करो ना, फेस मास्क यूज करो ना, जीएफबीएफ को अभी मत मिलो ना, नमस्ते करो ना, सबसे दूर रहो ना, करो ना, स्टॉप करो ना.
Kartik made sure to do his bit by spreading awareness about the importance of staying at home and also created videos to educate people about the dangers of not following the government safety instructions.
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के बारे में सबको बताते जाओ जब तक कि गवर्नमेंट कोई गुड न्यूज नहीं बताती. इलाज बन रहे, वैक्सीन ट्रायल में जा चुके हैं, सब पे एक साथ आई है मुसीबत, सब एक साथ मिलेंगे तो निकल जाएंगे इसमें से.
While there are rumors that the actor may soon resume shooting for his pending film Bhool Bhulaiya opposite Kiara Advani, Kartik seems to be taking baby steps back into a regular work routine by shooting for a digital fashion show where he was the celebrity showstopper. कार्तिक किसी नवाब या राजा से कम नहीं लग रहे थे in an intricately embroidered शेरवानी जिसमें ट्रेडिशनल जरी का काम किया हुआ था. Usually Kartik is seen dressed quite casually, so to see him in an opulent sherwani accessorized with heavy diamonds and an emerald-studded necklace was quite a treat. The actor's now long hair was specially styled to add to the old world charm of the showstopper-worthy outfit, while his stubble was neatly trimmed to make him look uber sophisticated. शेरवानी के साथ कार्तिक ने पहनी थी एक हैवी शॉल जिसमें गोल्ड और सिल्वर धागों से बारीकी काम किया गया है, which only added to the luxuriousness of his outfit. वाकई no one would have imagined that someone with Kartik's image could pull off such a shahi look with so much poise.
In fact, it seems कि कार्तिक को भी अपना ये नया शाही अंदाज बहुत पसंद आया and he shared a post कि शायद उन्हें अपने इस नवाबी अवतार में एक फिल्म शूट करनी चाहिए. But looks like उनकी दोस्ताना 2 की को-स्टार जानवी कपूर को ये आइडिया पसंद नहीं आया और उन्होंने एक वर्ड में रिप्लाई किया नो. Keeping the fun banter going, कार्तिक ने भी उनके नो का जवाब देते हुए उनसे कहा कि वो नेगेटिव इंसान है.
It is great to see Kartik back in action after being away from the limelight for so long. अब बस वो फिल्म सेट पर जल्द से जल्द पहुंच जाए और हमें अपने साथ भूल भुलैया में ले आए तो बात बन जाए. It's official. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh are getting married soon and the celebrations have already begun. दुल्हन नेहा ने अपने दूल्हे रोहनप्रीत के साथ हुए ग्रैंड रोका सेरेमनी से एक वीडियो क्लिप अपने सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पे शेयर किया. The couple looks gorgeous dressed as bride and groom and seem to be thrilled about starting this new chapter of their lives together.
कभी हाँ कभी ना करते करते नेहा और रोहनप्रीत have finally decided to say I do. The musical jodi who recently made their relationship official are all set to be married soon and it looks like it's going to be a small but large wedding with close family and friends. Neha and Rohanpreet's first musical collaboration, Neha Da Vyah, had also released today and it looks like it's going to be a week of many celebrations for the couple. Check it out.
Neha Kakkar is one of the most sought-after playback singers in Bollywood and is a judge on a popular reality show, while Rohanpreet is a famous name in the world of Punjabi music. There have been rumors doing the rounds for quite some time now that the two are more than just good friends, लेकिन दोनों ने ही कोई confirmation देने से इनकार कर दिया. कुछ दिनों पहले a picture went viral from the first time Neha met Rohanpreet's parents and there was a small roka ceremony in the presence of immediate family. While neither commented on the picture then, the two soon shared pictures on their respective social media accounts declaring कि हम साथ साथ हैं. But many were still wondering whether the couple were actually dating or just playing a prank to promote their upcoming collaboration, Neha Da Vyah. लेकिन जब दोनों के वेडिंग कार्ड का फोटो वायरल हुआ तब लोगों ने माना कि वाकई दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाने वाले हैं. और अगर नेहा का शेयर किया हुआ वीडियो देखें तो it seems like the couple has planned a private celebration with just close friends and family but are making sure that everyone has a blast. The functions have kicked off with a fun roka ceremony organized by Neha's parents, जहां ढोल की आवाज के साथ नेहा और रोहनप्रीत वेन्यू में एंटर होते हुए दिखाई दिए. The bride and groom look stunning in their color-coordinated designer outfits, which were detailed down to the brooch on Rohanpreet's sherwani. Neha and Rohanpreet looked absolutely delighted to be with each other and start this chapter in their life together. Neha, who shared a small clip of the celebration on her social media page, dedicated her post to her fans and all those who have wished her and Rohanpreet well. Here is a small gift for my Neharts and hashtag Nehupreet lovers. Here's our roka ceremony clip. I love Rohanpreet Singh and family. Thank you, Mrs. Kakkar and Mr. Kakkar. I mean, Mom, Dad. Thank you for throwing the best event. According to reports, Neha और रोहनप्रीत 26 अक्टूबर को शादी करेंगे, जिसके बाद पंजाब में एक रिसेप्शन ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है. Here's wishing the beautiful couple a lifetime of happiness and success together. Shadi Mubarak, Neha and Rohanpreet.
सर, आपकी कैप पे क्या लिखा है?
आयुष्मान खुराना can't really say बाल बच गए क्योंकि उनके मेसी हेयरडू ने उन्हें काफी awkward situation में डाल दिया. The actor, who is currently in Chandigarh with his family, shared an update about his hair having a not so great day on social media. लेकिन लगता है there were some fans who found his version of bed hair or messy updo, as it is called in fashion circles, quite attractive, much to his embarrassment.
Ayushmann Khurrana is undoubtedly one of the finest actors in the industry today, and despite not being a star kid or belonging to a filmy khandan, he has carved a niche for himself, achieving tremendous success playing offbeat characters in high-concept films that often address taboo topics that people are really uncomfortable talking about. A talented singer as well, Ayushmann has had back-to-back successes at the box office, playing a diverse range of roles and nailing them each and every time. Check it out.
The actor, who was in Mumbai for quite some time during the lockdown, traveled to Chandigarh with his wife and kids and brother, actor Apar Shakti Khurana, to spend time with his family and prepare for his upcoming projects. He has been working out to build a physique for his next film, where he plays a cross-functional athlete, and had shared sneak peeks of himself cycling and pumping iron in the gym. But while he is very disciplined about his body, it looks like his hair is taking on a mind of its own. The actor, who is known to share funny, candid moments as well as deep introspective poetry on social media, decided to keep things real and shared a picture he clicked of himself soon after waking up. Lagta hai, like many of us, Ayushmann was having a bad hair day. I woke up and felt good. Then I saw myself in the mirror. Kya baal hai ye? He captioned his social media story and mirror selfie, leaving his fans in splits. He then shared another picture of his unruly hair, which he said was from the earlier day जब वो बुरे मूड में उठे थे. लेकिन लगता है आयुष्मान के अर्ली मॉर्निंग बाल कई सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, जैसे हेयर जेल कब मिलेगा, ग्रूमिंग कब होगा. लुक्स लाइक लॉकडाउन में बिना स्टाइलिस्ट और सलून्स के स्टार्स के बालों का भी हाल बेहाल है. बट आयुष्मान के पोस्ट से भी फनी था उनका रिएक्शन जब अ फैन रिस्पॉन्डेड टू हिज स्टोरी एंड सेड दैट शी वुड लाइक टू टच हिज क्राउनिंग ग्लोरी. In a private message, the fan said, "Your hotness with grumpy face is burning my phone and I want to touch those hair." लगता है आयुष्मान से कुछ ज्यादा ही इम्प्रेस्ड है ये इंडिविजुअल, लेकिन आयुष्मान ने इस स्लाइटली ओवर द टॉप एडमिरेशन पोस्ट का अपने ट्रेडमार्क स्टाइल में जवाब देते हुए लिखा, "I'll send across my wig." Looks like his film Bala came to the rescue while dealing with this admiration for his baal. We are eager to see you and your new look, Ayushmann. Until then, maybe some treatments to ensure that you don't have any more hair-raising experiences. The Much Nach Meri Rani is here and it's breaking all records with its instant popularity.
Nach Meri Rani song is finally out and
Nach Meri Rani. I'm gonna sing like Guru. Ready?
The song, which features a beautiful Nora Fatehi as a dancing robot who takes on a human form, has been sung by the very popular Guru Randhawa and Nikita Gandhi. Peppy beats and great choreography have instantly made it a huge success with viewers. Nora Fatehi, who has been teasing her futuristic looks from the music video on social media, had shared pictures of herself in a chic black leather jacket and baggy leather pants with red hair. And a second look jahan wo ek glittering silver 80s inspired outfit mein dikhai di. Complete with colored hair that looks inspired from the iconic Lady Gaga.
नौरा फतेही के डांस स्किल्स और गुरु रंधावा की आवाज ने मिलकर ऐसा कमाल कर दिया है that their brand new music video has already been viewed almost 500,000 times on a leading streaming platform. A foot-tapping song with an unusually short video, Nach Meri Rani is sure to be one of the most popular dance numbers this year. Well, even if we have to stay indoors and dance to it for some time to come. Check it out.
Nora, who is known for her fabulous dance moves, is seen as the human version of a robot in this song, and we must say that she is one stunning robot. गाने के प्रमोशंस के दौरान भी Nora looked like a dream and made sure to flaunt her fit physique in a bodycon dress with a thigh slit. Sharing pictures of this feminine but chic look, Nora wrote about the perfect romance that she has created in mind, जो शायद गाने में उनके और गुरु के chemistry के reference में था. The song has also been choreographed and filmed with a sci-fi vibe, according to which Nora's looks have been created. Guru and Nora ने वाकई इन dance steps पे बहुत काम किया है, and a clip of them rehearsing hard had been leaked on social media a few days ago, creating lots of anticipation about the final video. नाच मेरी रानी के पोस्टर्स ने भी इस गाने के लिए एंथुजियाज्म बढ़ा दी थी, with the makers designing them in such a way that they looked like a film's theatrical poster. The dance number, which has been composed and written by Tanishq Bagchi and sung by pop star Guru Randhawa and the very talented Nikita Gandhi, whose sensuous voice matches Nora's look and dance moves perfectly.
Both how to react and how not to react. I think everyone learns that from the Big Boss show.
सलमान के कमेंट ने ऑफेंड किया है रूबीना गो ऑन अ पॉपुलर रियलिटी शो वेयर द सुपरस्टार इज द होस्ट.
I see somebody reacting in a particular manner. I said, I wish I could react like that. And then when somebody does not react in the correct manner.
सलमान ने रूबीना के हस्बैंड अभिनव को उनका सामान कह के रेफर किया, जिससे रूबीना हो गई है अपसेट.
The reality show hosted by Salman Khan has one thing aplenty: drama. Fights, flirting, no jokes, screaming and playing politics. We get to see all of this and more on a daily basis. और इस existing high tension situation में अपने comments का तड़का लगाते हैं सलमान खान, who checks in with the contestants during the week. But Salman, who is also known to make controversial comments once in a way, managed to upset actor Rubina, who then said कि वो शो छोड़ना चाहती है. Take a look.
लेकिन जहां रूबीना है उदास, वहीं सिद्धार्थ confessed about there being someone खास in his life. Along with new participants this year, the show has some old contestants or seniors as they're called who have been brought back to add drama and mentor the newcomers. सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, गौहर खान एंड हीना खान, जो पिछले सीजन्स के विनर्स या रनर्स अप रह चुके हैं, इस साल भी शो में काफी ड्रामा क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. Siddharth Shukla, who has been acting a tad too friendly with Gauhar Khan, his fellow senior, and has been seen making many flirtatious comments while interacting with her. The two were involved in a task on the reality show. जब सिद्धार्थ को दूर रखने के लिए गौहर ने उनसे डिस्टेंस बढ़ाने की कोशिश की, बट सिद्धार्थ, जो अपनी माचो अवतार दिखाने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ते, told गौहर, "You can't be touching me. I have a girlfriend at home." सिद्धार्थ के इस कमेंट से फैंस फिर सिद्धार्थ और शहनाज गिल के रूमर्ड रिलेशनशिप के बारे में स्पेकुलेट करने लगे हैं. बट जहां सिद्धार्थ was trying to be flirtatious and funny, रूबीना बहुत अपसेट दिखाई दी, especially after Salman referred to her husband as Saman. Rubina also spoke to the voice who acts like the invisible landlord of the set, and while she didn't directly accuse Salman, उन्होंने बताया कि उन्हें बहुत disrespect feel हुआ. Apparently Salman ने रूबीना से बात करते हुए उनके husband के बारे में कहा, ये सामान आप लेकर आई है. He also reportedly referred to her other belongings as कचरा. While these may have been said as a joke, रूबीना ने सलमान की बातों को दिल से लगा लिया है. Calling his comments a punch in the gut, रूबीना ने कहा, जहां एक रिस्पेक्टफुल माहौल ना हो, वहां वो काम नहीं कर सकती हैं. She added, मैं यहाँ काम नहीं करना चाहती. Nothing against सलमान सर, nothing against the show. और सलमान सर हमें पर्सनली नहीं जानते कि उनको इतना पर्सनल कमेंट का समझ आता हो. But when asked if she wanted to leave the show, she refused to give an answer, leaving it to the makers to decide. Her husband Abhinav Shukla was also called for questioning, और बहुत डिस्कशन के बाद ये तय हुआ कि सलमान को रूबीना के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू का फीडबैक दिया जाएगा, and whenever they get a chance to interact with Salman again, the couple will also discuss these controversial comments and how it hurt their feelings with him. Well, how Salman will take this feedback, और क्या ये सामान related comment egoistic baggage बन जाएगा, ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा. We are all set for some dramatic showdowns in the upcoming episodes.
चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back.
Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan are both extremely successful actors who also enjoy living life king size. And given that Saif is a real life Nawab and Bebo his Begum, उनका रॉयल लाइफस्टाइल तो बनता है. स्विट्जरलैंड में विला हो या फिर उनके पुरखों का पटौड़ी पैलेस, the couple loves to spend time in luxurious homes around the world.
While many of us struggle to afford even a small apartment of our own in Mumbai, looks like Saif and Kareena are all set to enjoy palace-like luxury in the city. The couple, who is currently living in a 4-story apartment in Bandra, is all set to move into an even bigger home across the road, with baby number 2 all set to arrive soon. But this sprawling apartment is not the only piece of real estate luxury that they own. Take a look.
Saif and Kareena, who currently live in a sprawling apartment in Mumbai with their adorable son Taimur, are all set to welcome baby number 2 really soon. We often get to see glimpses of their current home through Kareena's posts on social media when she poses with little Taimur or shares pictures of him with Saif, painting and gardening together. Their home in Mumbai has a sprawling library and entertainment zone and an in-house gym and a beautiful balcony and terrace garden where the family spends time together. Lekin, with baby number 2 all set to arrive soon and little Taimur getting older, looks like the couple will need even more space. They have bought an even more spacious apartment in the building opposite their current residence, and Saif has been spotted walking back and forth to supervise the renovation of their brand new home. But if you thought that a 4-story home was good enough and royal enough, well, you ain't Saif and Bebo. The couple also own an entire palace. Yes, you heard that right. While their ancestral home, the Pataudi Palace, had been turned into a hotel, Saif has reportedly bought it back and now plays host to their family and close friends, जो special occasions पे Saif, Kareena और तैमूर के साथ वहां time spend करने आते हैं. It's not just Saif and Kareena who own multiple properties. Their little son Taimur, जो अपने parents जितने ही popular है, apparently owns 1,000 square feet of forest in Maharashtra, which was allegedly gifted to him by Kareena's nutritionist Rituja Divekar, who often conducts camps there. It is even named the Taimur Ali Khan Pataudi Forest. So now, in addition to having a home in Mumbai and a palace in Delhi, Taimur has a forest where he can have a wilderness retreat. Well, we just hope कि Saif, Kareena, Taimur और उनका नया बेबी जहां भी रहें, जिस भी luxurious घर में रहें, हमेशा खुश रहें, and we wish them the very best of luck for many more such beautiful homes.
Well, guys, with that, we come to the end of another episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. Promising to be back tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. जाते जाते मैं आपको दोबारा remind करूंगा, check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute by minute and on the go updates about your favorite celebrities. We'll see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and ciao.